Today we're going to talk about weights of caravans and what's important with regard to towing a caravan. So first thing to know is what your vehicle is rated to tow, and the place to find that is in your owner's manual of your vehicle. Then when we're looking at the actual caravan, all caravans, or post about 1985 or something like that, have what's called a VIN plate on them, and on the VIN plate they specify the caravan's weights. So the first weight that's specified on the caravan and is of great importance is the tare weight of the caravan, T-A-R-E. So the tare weight of the caravan is the empty weight of the caravan as supplied by the dealer. So it includes everything on it, but not with water or gas, and obviously not your food and clothes and things like that. The next weight is the ATM. ATM is Aggregate Trailer Mass, and it's sometimes also called the GVM, the Gross Vehicle Mass. So ATM of the caravan is the maximum weight that the caravan is allowed to be when fully loaded. Normally it's about 400 or 500 kilograms more than the tare weight. So the next measurement, which isn't always on the VIN plate but is really critical to your caravan, is the ball weight. Ball weight is the downward pressure that the caravan's hitch places on the tow ball of the car. And this will really greatly affect how the caravan sits behind the car and whether it sways or sits nicely. So the last measurement that really you need to look out for is the combined vehicle weight, which is the caravan and the car combined together. So your car owner's manual will also give you a specification of the maximum allowable weight of the combination car and caravan. So that's the caravan fully loaded and the car fully loaded, and you can't exceed that. So that's something that you need to investigate, and if you want to check what your combined vehicle mass is, take the car and caravan over a weigh bridge. It normally costs about $22. And they'll give you a printed out certificate with exactly what your total weight is.